Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I will go to the Dumaguete. I will go to the Belcris for buy the stick for Daddy Paul. So see you there guys. That is my scooter. I riding the scooter for going to Valencia, and then I leave my motorbike in Valencia. And see you there guys. Bye bye. So now guys, I'm here in Valencia. I going to jeepney guys. So my motorbike I live here. So let's go guys. That is jeepney guys for going to the Dumaguete. Papa kayo mo. Apa ya? Now guys, I'm here in Robinson, Dumaguete. I will buy the dog food for Tadanipi guys. Finally, the parking area now is not crowded because time is 11 a.m. So let's go in the inside guys. I will buy the dog food here in Robinson. I will go to the grocery for the dog food, and then I will buy for the Paul cheese. So I see you guys here in Robinson, Dumaguete City. Bongbong for the pasalubong, the snack. Macau Imperial Tea. Sans Rebel del side. Robinson supermarket guys. I will get the basket. Only basket. It's good the early for going here, for buying the stock. Where the area is cheese, dry goods. I will get the dog food. That's why I only basket for get, because I'm not buy a lot. It's only the dog food. Because in the Valencia guys, you don't have a for sellers. In the store in Valencia don't have the dog food. Only here in Robinson or Hypermart. Dog food, and I will buy to the snack for Tadanipi guys. Here you go. There's the snack for Tadanipi. Here. For the dog food, so I get guys. See you there guys. Wala dai. So now guys, I'm done for buying for dog food. So next is Belcris. I will go to the Belcris guys. Of the line. So the next I will go to the Belcris. So see you there guys. Now guys, I'm riding the tricycle for going to the Belcris for buying the steak for the Nicole, because the Nicole is have a fever, not feeling good. So now I am going to the Belcris for buying the steak. See you there guys. PTI. There guys is public art. This is the road going to the Belfry. Now guys, I'm here in the Belfry. That is the sign, guys. Let's go. Wow. It's crowded, the parking area, guys. It's crowded. Because the Belfry is getting bigger now. Bigger. So it's crowded, the parking area. Now guys, I'm here in the Belfry area. So I get the steak 30 pieces. 30 pieces. And that is the Belfry. It's bigger now. And it's nice. It's good organized. So the people always buy here the steak because the steak here is good. Inside the steak area. That area. So just only I buy the steak here in Belfast because the depot that feeling gone. We have a fever, so I buy the steak now. 30 pieces, guys, the steak. So I will tour her in the Belfast, guys. Let's go. I'll check the sauce of the steak. Hey. Hey, nagkumpra ka? Ano sa camera? I love the cheese. Blue cheese. Nasa ba ng blue cheese? It's good or organized. Nasa daw ng cheese? Oh, here is transfer the fruits. This fruits area. It's good. Here's fruits area. It's changed now. And it's bigger. The burgers is good or organized. Very organized now. Wow, look guys, almost complete here. And Belfries have a dog food. It's everything is complete and it's bigger. It's bigger, guys. So I look the sauce of the steak. Sauce of the steak. Just look guys where the sauce of the steak, because here is bigger. Bigger now, and it's good organized. Now guys, I pay for the steak, and after that I will go home now. Now guys, I'm done in Belfast. I will go home na guys and Valencia. So I riding the bicycle for going to Valencia, guys, is 200 pesos. Because if I riding the jeepney, it's so hard. I buy the tissue and dog pad and meat. is grounded for I'm been for the Belcrest Grocery. So that's it guys, my video for today. For I've been in the Belcrest Dumaguete City. See you next video. Bye bye.